today what we're going to work on is 59 through 62 in our book number 1. So let's get started. First, we're going to count and clap fit to be tied, and we have to learn about what ties are. Ties are any time you have two notes that are connected, or more. It could be two or more notes connected by a slur, but the pitch stays the same. So for instance, at the very beginning of your piece, fit to be tied, we have a half note that gets 2 counts, right? 1, 2, and then we have 2 tied quarter notes that get 2 counts. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, which means we do not tongue both of the quarter notes. We hold them just like a half note, so it sounds the same. All right, let's see if we can clap and count number 59 together first. 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I hope we got that. Now we're going to go over our notes. So put your fingers down with me. Remember that your flute is just like a recorder. Your left hand is on top and your right hand's on the bottom. And then all we do is we take it to the right of your body. Now this might look opposite of you because I'm videoing it, but you're going to just bring it up with your right hand, just making sure everybody's in the right place. Okay, now let's say the letters. F, E flat, B flat, C, D, E flat, F. Rest 2 counts. G, F, F, E flat, C, C, D, C, B flat. So you have 2 beats to move your fingers almost every time. Now we're going to play it. Let's hear what it sounds like. So now we're going to go to 60. 60 and 61 sound the exact same because now we have 2 different ways to actually have the same sound. So look at 60. 60 still has ties, but this time we have a half note tied to a quarter note. So a half note gets 2 and a quarter note gets 1, so that brings it to 3. We have 3 counts for a half note tied to a quarter. If you look right below at 61, it's kind of the same thing. We have a dotted half note, and a half note that is dotted gets 2 counts plus half of itself. That's what the dot brings in, which gives us 3 counts of sound. So 60 and 61 are going to sound the same even though they are using 2 different methods to make that notation. So let's take a look and see if we can actually clap and count 60, but we're also counting and clapping 61. So at the very beginning, the first measure, for instance, is 1, 2, 3, 4. But 60 does it with a tie, and 61 does it with a dotted half note. All right, let's count and clap. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, next we're going to say the letters. Make sure that you get your fingers ready. Say the letters with me. E flat is first. 2, ready, say the letter. E flat, F, G 2 beats, G 2 beats, F, E flat, F, G, E flat, B flat, E flat, F, G 2 beats, G 2 beats, F, E flat, F, G, E flat. Now we're going to play it. 60, but it was also 61. Now we're going to go to 62. Let's count and clap 62. 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Rest. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's say the letters. F, F, D, D, F, G, F, D2 beats D, C, D, C. F, F, D, D, F, G, F, D, C, 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 D, C, B. And take it slower if you need to say it slower, like F, F, D, D, F, G, F, D2 beats D, C, D, C. F, F, D, D, F, G, F, D2 beats C, 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 D, C, B flat. Okay, take it slow so that you can get your fingers there and get into the right place. Otherwise, it might not make the right sound. Okay, let's see if we can play it. I hope you enjoyed that, and I look forward to hearing you play online or at school. Bye, guys.